హలో ఆల్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు వన్ మోర్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఆఫ్ అమ్మమ్మ గారి ప్రపంచం. ఈరోజు హిందూ పురాణాల కథలో 6వ భాగం. ఈరోజు సప్త ఋషుల గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. హూ ఆర్ ద సప్త ఋషీస్? వశిష్ఠ, ఆత్రి, గౌతమ, కశ్యప, భరద్వాజ, జమదగ్ని, విశ్వామిత్ర. Let's see a small brief about Sapta Rishis. The Sapta Rishis are the 7 rishis in ancient India who are praised at many places in Vedas and other Hindu literature. They are regarded in Vedas as the patriarchs of Vedic religion. Sapta Rishi are the 7 greatest sages of the Vedic world. They have attained a semi-immortal status, that of an exceedingly long lifespan due to their yogic power. The 7 holy sages were assigned to be present through the 4 great ages to guide the human race. These 7 sages worked closely with Lord Shiva to maintain the balance of earth. They are known to be 7 mind-born sons of Lord Brahma who live for a period of time known as Manvantara, which is about 30 crore 67 lakhs 20,000 earth years. During this period of time, they serve as representatives of Brahma, and at the end of the era, the universe gets destroyed and Saptarishi merge into God, and the task of filling the earth is given to the new set of Saptarishi. Our ancestral lineage, Gotras, relates directly to Saptarishi. A Gotra is a lineage or clan assigned to a Hindu at birth. In most cases, the system is parental and the Gotra assigned is that of the person's father. The term Gotra itself, according to strict Hindu tradition, is used only for the lineages of Brahmin, Kshatriya and Vaishya families. Hence, the child is given a particular Gotra in relation to the particular clan of Saptarishi they belong to. As stated at the beginning of this episode, the Saptarishi of the Manvantara, according to the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, are Vasishtha, Atri, Gautama, Kashyapa, Bharadwaja, Jamadagni and Vishwamitra. Now let's learn about Vasishtha. Rishi Vasishtha is one of the Saptarishi of this Manvantara and is the husband of Arundhati. He is the Rajaguru of the Surya Vansha or the solar dynasty. He is the author of Vasishtha Samhita. He and his family are glorified in a hymn in the Rig Veda. Lord Rama once explains his disillusion with worldly things and expresses sadness at the miserable life as a worldly man to King Dasharatha after returning from a pilgrimage of holy places. Then the sage Vasishtha starts answering the questions posed by Lord Rama. This is the context and content of the scripture called Yoga Vasishtha. The second Saptarishi is Atri. He is one among the sages who propounded the sacred thread, that is Janivaram. Sage Atri's wife is Anasuya and symbol of virginity. He is considered to be one of the great discoverers of sacred mantras. The 2 works of this sage are Atri Samhita and Atri Smriti. One day, the Trimurtis decided to test the virginity of Anasuya and arrives at her home as Brahmins. They ask her to serve food in naked. She agrees and converts them into small kids. Surprised with the power, Trinity of Gods requests to give their original form and hence she becomes their mother. Anasuya gave birth to Lord Dattatreya as an avatar of Trinity, that is Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwara. Let's learn about Gautama. Gautama Rishi belongs to the lineage of Angiras. His sons were Vamadeva, Nodhas, Shatananda. He also authored the Gautama Dharma Sutra and the Rig and Sama Vedic mantras. His wife was Ahalya. At the appropriate time, the Lord announced that whoever goes around the earth first shall win Ahalya's hand. Gautama Rishi went around the divine cow, thus fulfilling the condition. Hence, Ahalya and Gautama Rishi were married. The next is Kashyapa. Kashyapa Rishi is one of the most popular ancient rishi. He is the son of Marichi Rishi and grandson of Brahma. He was the father of Devas, Asuras, Nagas, Garudas, Vamana, Agni, Adityas, Daityas and all humanity. He was an author of Kashyapa Samhita, which is a classical reference book in the field of Ayurvedic pediatrics, gynecology, and obstetrics. In the story of King Parikshit, killed by a serpent Takshaka, Kashyapa arrives to stop it when Takshaka challenges him by biting a tree and turning it into ashes. Kashyapa restores the tree with his yogic powers and defeats the serpent. Sage, understanding the future of king, leaves the place taking offerings from Takshaka. Soon he realizes that what done is not correct and visits Tirupati for getting rid of sin. Let's see about Bharadwaja. He is one of the greatest sage in Vedic times and also a descendant of sage Angirasa. His father was Devarasi Brihaspati. Sage Bharadwaja is the author of Ayurveda. He is the father of Guru Dronacharya. He was also a master of advanced military arts, including the Devastras. His wife is Sushila. According to some of the Puranas, Bharadwaja was found on banks of river Ganga and adopted by King Bharata. He had an unquenchable thirst for knowledge of Vedas and in addition meditated for Indra, Lord Shiva and Parvati for more Vedic knowledge. Let's talk about Jamadagni. Jamadagni is the father of Parashurama, the sixth avatar of Vishnu. His wife was Renuka, who used to fetch water from the river in an unbaked clay pot with the power of her chastity. One day, her heart was filled with desire when a group of Gandharvas were passing in the sky. Looking at them, the pot dissolved. She, being afraid of her husband, doesn't return home. Jamadagni, knowing this from his yogic powers, asks Parashurama to kill his mother, and he did the same. Lastly, let's know about Vishwamitra. Rishi Vishwamitra is one of the most well-known Saptarishi and the great sages who discovered the Gayatri Mantra found in the Vedas. Usually, one cannot rise to the level of a Brahmarshi through merit alone, since the order was created divinely and is appointed by Lord Brahma. However, Vishwamitra rose to the position of a Brahmarshi through his own merit alone. He was not a Brahmana by birth, but a Kshatriya. He renounced his kingdom and began his quest to become a greater sage than Vasishta. He took on the name Vishwamitra, and after many trials and undergoing much rigidity for thousands of years, Vishwamitra at last obtained the title of Brahmarishi from Brahma and Vasishta himself. Let's see about the Telugu explanation in our next episode. Till then, bye. Thank you.